Hello and welcome to a new Lithuanian language lesson. Today we are going to learn more verbs. The first verb is klausti. Klausti, it's to ask. Klausti, klausė, klausė. And as always I give three forms. Klausti, to ask. Klausė is the third person of present tense. He asks or he's asking. And klausė, it's third person past tense. Klausė, he asked or she asked or he was asking. Klausti, klausė, klausė. Klausyti, klausyti, to listen. Klausyti, klauso, klausė. Reikėti, reikėti, it's need, to have a need. Reikėti, reikia, reikėjo. And the verb reikėti we use only for the third person. We never use for like I need. In English we say I need, but in Lithuanian we don't say aš reikia. Aš reikiu. No, we don't have the first person, first, second person, we don't have. Only third person. Reikia, and it's not that I need, but there is a need for me. Man reikia. Man reikia. For me. There is a need for me. Reikėti, reikia, reikėjo. Another verb, jausti. Jausti, to feel. Jausti, jaučia, jautė. Jausti, jaučia, jautė. It's when I feel something from outside. And another verb, it's the same verb, but it's a reflexive verb, jaustis. Jaustis. Jaustis, jaučiasi, jautėsi. Jautėsi. What is the difference between jausti and jaustis? Jausti, to feel something, I feel something, what is coming from outside, or I feel pain, aš jaučiu skausmą, even if it's inside, but it's something what is to me. But jaustis, it's my feelings. Jaučiuosi laimingas, I'm feeling happy. Jaučiuosi blogai, I'm feeling bad. So, when I have feelings, we use reflexive verb jaustis. Jaustis. Tapti. Tapti. Tapti, to become. Tapti, tampa, tapo. Tapti, tampa, tapo. Aš tapau mokytoju. I became a teacher. Palikti. Palikti. It's a verb likti with a prefix pa. Likti, it's to stay, to remain. Palikti, to leave. Likti, lieka, liko. Palikti, palieka, paliko. Dėti. Dėti, to put. Padėti, to put, to help. Dėti, deda, dėjo. Padėti, padeda, padėjo. So, dėti, it's just to put or to lay. Padėti, to put to lay or to help. Reikšti, 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 it's to mean. Reikšti, reiškia, reiškė. Reikšti, reiškia, reiškė. Reiškė. A house lietuviškai reiškia namas. A house in Lithuanian it's namas. Means reiškia. Man tai nieko nereiškia. It doesn't matter. It doesn't mean anything. Tai nieko nereiškia. It doesn't mean anything. It means nothing. Tai nieko nereiškia. Pareikšti. Pareikšti, to declare, to state. Pareiškia, pareiškė. Leisti. Leisti, to let. Leisti, leidžia, leido. Paleisti. Paleisti, to release, to let go. Paleisti, paleidžia, paleido. Išleisti. Išleisti, to let out. Išleisti, išleidžia, išleido. Užleisti. Užleisti. Užleisti, the first meaning to neglect. Užleisti. Užleisti, užleidžia, užleido. Another meaning, užleisti, for example, užleisti muziką. To turn music on, and it's very loudly. And another meaning for užleisti, for example, užleisti vietą, to allow to sit down in a bus. Užleisti vietą, when I stand up and when I allow someone to take my place. Užleisti vietą. So today we had quite a lot of verbs. I hope that some of them, they are new for you and that this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching my channel, and I want to thank you my supporters who supports this channel. And if you want to be a supporter for this channel, you can do it on PayPal or Patreon. And please like, share, subscribe, and see you soon. Iki!